Right, so now let's get to the meat. They're also creating something called a quantum computer. That's the shit y'all need to know. That's the shit that's really getting y'all niggas. They're gonna play with you with artificial intelligence. They're gonna scare the shit out of you with Collider, so you can look at that. But while they do it, they're slipping some shit called D-Wave. Please research D-Wave, and you motherfuckers will lose your mind at what they're doing. First of all, the creator or the dude responsible for it, most of the strides in it, explains it. He does a whole seminar which is online. Watch what they're doing. Remember I told you that these electrons only act like particles when observed. Other than that, they perform like waves that interfering wave patterns. Meaning, the quantum world is nothing more than interfering wave patterns that connect to everything. This gives you what y'all been calling parallel universes and lines, which are the waves, or strings, which are the waves, to those parallel universes. So, when I'm dead and gone, well, first let's explain what a parallel universe is. Every choice you can possibly make, it plays out that scenario in another universe. Even down to the color socks that you wear. It will give you the option to wear every color sock. I don't know if it's in existence or socks that you have. So if you have a blue or black sock, it would play out in existence where you made those choices. Something so minute. So lunch, life decisions, and all of that. All of these are versions of panic in parallel universes. So when I'm dead and gone, I can literally say I did everything. Even though from my perspective of observation, it's from this reality. But from this reality, I'm creating all of these wave patterns that are going out. That are interfering. So much so that everyone else are creating wave patterns that interfere with mine. So when we say in magic, we all have one divine mind. This is based upon wave patterns that interfere. These wave patterns are the waters of noon. All right? So, these parallel universes are accessed through your first quantum computer, your mind. Now, here's where my class training comes in. I told you about the differences in the conscious and the subconscious mind in detail. Your subconscious mind sends out wave patterns. I told you, you gotta do shit in magic, and even those who worship this shit know you do shit and then you put it to the side, you forget it. You don't focus on it. So you light a candle, you don't sit there and look at the candle every day. You do it, you do what you need to do, and then you forget it. Why? They'll tell you that in magic all the time. You create a sigil, you look at it, you meditate, throw it away, burn it. Why do they tell you the shit like throw it in the sea? Flush it down the toilet.